Welcome to the 5390 seminar class. I wanted to provide you with an introductory video so that you can get started understanding the class format. So to begin with, my name is Elizabeth Hodge and I'm going to be your professor this semester. And you can see here that I've entered Blackboard, and when you enter the course you'll see the same environment. The only difference being is that as soon as I have this video recording finished, it will appear here under the announcements along with a welcome message. So when you enter the course, for each time you access it, it will automatically take you to the announcements page. You will receive module updates, possibly assignment updates, and information within this announcements area. Below that you'll see the syllabus and calendar link. And when you click on the syllabi and calendar link, you can see here that both are posted. Each of these are PDF documents, so that when you click on them, they open up in a new window. Let me just make that a little bit less overwhelming there. So you can easily print off the syllabi and calendar. I certainly suggest that you print off the course calendar, as it provides you with some important dates that you'll need throughout the semester. So as you go through and review the syllabi, you can see the information and what's required. And I'll go down to the course breakdown, being that it's probably the most important element that students want to learn about. So throughout the semester you can see that you have 4 class participations. These will be live interactive sessions, and they're noted on your course calendar so you can plan ahead. Please make sure that you note the dates, because at this point those will not be changing. They're pretty set in stone unless there's something that comes up in the meantime. So you've got your 4 live interactive sessions, and we'll be using Saba Meeting, which is the new name for the Centra system that many of you have used before. It's very similar to Collaborate for those of you who have been in classes with me before, and it's a great interactive environment that includes both audio and video. Beneath that you see that you have a book review that you'll be completing. You have 2 supervision assessments, 3 article analysis that you'll complete, and 2 team projects or case assignments that you'll be completing throughout the term. Now I should say that many of these elements do have multiple components with it, meaning the book review you'll not only be writing a report. You'll not only be writing a report, but you'll also be providing a presentation that you share with your classmates, and also completing a peer evaluation. This also holds true for the team projects. Let's jump back to our course material. We're going to go into the course calendar. And again, I mentioned how important the course calendar is. You see here that the modules are listed for the entire semester, and you've got your assignments listed for each of the modules. In most cases, the assignments are due at the end of the module. If not, they are noted here. As you can see, the due dates are listed. All of the due dates are based on 11:59 p.m. of the last day, or as the due date that's indicated here in the course calendar. And again, as I mentioned, you can see that there are dates listed for our interactive sessions, so you want to make sure that you note those dates, and times will be provided as well. We'll come back to the course modules. We're going to quickly jump to the contact professor information, and again, this is just some information on how you can get a hold of me when I hold office hours. However, as you can see, I've also provided other contact options. You can certainly text message me at this number or call me at that number if you aren't able to get a hold of me via my office phone number that I've provided. Within the tool sections, many of the tools have been turned off just because we're only going to be using a few of the tools within Blackboard, and then as I mentioned, also using the Saba meeting for our live interactive sessions. In most cases, the My Grade area is what you're interested in here. Certainly you will be able to check your grades here to find out. I always provide feedback, and lengthy feedback, so please make sure that you check back and check your grades. Many times I'll ask questions and ask you maybe to submit something in addition if I feel that you need to enhance the submission that you provided. Alright, let's jump to the course modules. For each of the modules, as noted, there were 6 posted within the calendar. Each time that they are due, they will appear within this environment. Your first module here is available. It runs from January 13th through the 27th. All the modules run from a Tuesday morning till the Monday at 11:59 p.m. When we enter the modules, you will see that all the materials are posted within that module for that time frame. Obviously, some of them extend the period. So, for example, if I assign your book review assignment, it's not due at the end of this module. It's noted in the course calendar that it's actually due further on in the semester, but it's made available to you so that you can begin working on it. So to begin with, you'll want to get started with the Module 1 material. You'll want to get started with the module material. That will be an overview of the objectives and the assignments and any information or readings that you'll need to complete. So to begin with, you'll see, and it's consistent for every class, a title, the objectives, what preparation needs to be done, it'll provide you with information about the chapter, and then of course you can access the chapter notes, a review of what's required in terms of the assignments, and then of course the hot topics for that module period. Family tidbits is just information about myself and my family, so you can get to know your professor better. Sign in, you'll be signing into the class using the discussion forum, and then again you can see you've got your assignments posted here. So you've got your book review material, your team project information, and then your first assignment posted here at the bottom. In terms of the assignments, many times I'll post general basic information here and then actually include the assignment as an attachment. This also assists you when you actually have a document that you have to fill out. So you can see here you have quite a bit of information you're going to have to fill out for this first assignment, and it makes it easier for submission purposes. So when you go to actually submit the document, you'll click on the supervision assessment number 1. You can place a note in the submission area, but then please, if you will, attach the document. Don't copy it and paste it into this area. You'll want to browse on where you've placed it on your computer and then actually attach it to the assignment area. So in a nutshell, this is your classroom environment that you'll be working in for the semester. If you have any questions throughout the semester, please, as I mentioned in my welcome message, contact me. I've given you a variety of options. I'm happy to meet with you both on campus or online, or just over the phone, whichever your preference is. Good luck.